Are you a new YouTuber struggling to get any views? Have you heard about SEO, but it feels complicated, right? All the tags, all the descriptions, the keywords, I know, right? It feels complicated and it's overwhelming. But what if I told you there is one simple YouTube SEO hack that new channel consistently miss, and it's the only way you need to focus on to start seeing views right now. In this video, I'm going to review this single powerful hack and show you step by step on how to implement it. Even if you have zero skills, right, this will definitely change your YouTube game. Yes, I know there's a lot of advice out there like tags, keywords, descriptions, and it feels paralyzing. But new channel trying to do perfect right now is actually the wrong approach. You only need to just simplify it. Alright, so what is this only YouTube SEO hack that new channel need right now? It's all about mastering long-tail search intent. Now that might sound fancy, but it's actually incredibly simple. It simply means making videos that people are searching for, searching directly into the YouTube bar. It simply means making videos that answer very specific questions people are searching in YouTube bar. Like something like this that I'm showing on screen right now, YouTube growth versus a long tail like how to get 100 views on YouTube in 24 hours. Think about it, a big YouTube channel can make a videos about how to get more views. That is actually a super competitive term. Your small channel with few subscribers can never rank for that. But if someone types in how to get 100 views on YouTube in 24 hours or best YouTube SEO tools for beginners, all these things are actually a specific question, and people who search for those are looking for that exact answer. That is why this is huge for new channel. Your channel can compete on board term, but you can dominate a tiny specific niche or answer a precise question. When YouTube sees someone is searching for that exact thing and your video is the perfect answer to that question that person is searching for, to show your video even if you have zero subscribers. It's like you having a small shop and you cannot beat the big supermarket, but if you are the only one selling that exact special thing that everyone is looking for, they will come straight to you. Question now is, how do you find this magical long tail search intent keywords? It's actually very simple. Go to your YouTube, as you can see on the screen right now, my YouTube. Now start typing a broad topic related to your niche. For example, let's type YouTube growth. YouTube growth. As you can see, YouTube growth. Okay, see all these suggestions pumping up. These are actual real searches. Now add more words to make them even more specific. Try adding for beginners or no subscribers or fast, something like that. Just okay, let's type it. YouTube growth, no subscribers. Are you seeing all the suggestions? See all the suggestions. YouTube growth for small channel 2024. See all the suggestions. Are you seeing them? These are perfect long tail keywords. Just know that all these suggestions, they are perfect long tail keywords. Write all these suggestions that you saw, everything you saw there, write them down for your next video ideas. Another secret weapon is Google itself. So now let's go to Google. Let's search something like YouTube monetization. YouTube monetization. Now scroll down a bit until you see a box called people also ask. Are you seeing it now? This particular section, this particular part. Click on those suggestions. Click on those questions. When you click any of these questions, they often expand to reveal even more specific queries, like what other people are searching for. All these questions are real questions that people need answers to, so you can make videos about all this. So number 3 that we'll talk about is integrating your keywords everywhere. Once you have your long keyword, let's say something like it is how to get 100 views on YouTube in 24 hours, just know that you need to use them effectively. Make the exact phrases your video title and also put it clearly on your thumbnail. You know, when you use all these things, it screams to YouTube and the people searching that you are the answer to that particular question they are searching for. Step 3 is start by restating the main keywords or the problem it solves in your description. The things you must know actually is YouTube algorithm listing. So in your video, make sure you say your long tail keywords. Make sure you say it naturally throughout your videos. It helps you to understand what your video is all about. That's just it. It's not about stuffing millions of tags a millions of keywords. It's all about just, making videos of what people are already asking for and making a video that give them the direct answer. This simple focus on long tail search intent is how small channels start to get targeted viewers, because you are solving a real problem for a real audience. Basically, this is not about views, it's about attracting a targeted viewers, or can I say the right viewers, people who are genuinely interested in what you want to say, which leads to watch time and subscribers. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video so that other people might be able to enjoy the value that you see in this video also. I will see you in my next video.